The Gcam 8.1 is working on Mi A1, but the question is it working stable? Let's find it out. When you install the Gcam 8.1, you will not see any option of stabilization modes. If you want to know how to enable it and use it, watch the video till the end. Let's open the Gcam and go to settings. Here you can't see the version of Gcam, so let's skip to the app info. As you can see, the version is 8.1. In right side, you get options like Google AWB, astrophotography. See, in astrophotography, you can turn it off and keep it on auto. And you get timer, focus and ratio. The night side works fine, but the astrophotography doesn't. Let's cover the camera and take a astrophotography shot. See, the timer comes but it crashes. Let's try it again. See, as you can see, it crashes. And in portrait, we get zoom of 1.3x. And portrait for front camera as well as back camera works fine. Then in camera, you get options like flash, Google AWB, timer, ratio, etc. The camera works fine. See, in video, you get slow motion, normal, time lapse. See the slow motion, the camera crashes. Normal video works fine. See, it doesn't flicker. The frame rates are on auto and it doesn't flicker when you keep it on 30. See, it's pretty stable. But when you click it on 60, see, it flickers. So just keep it on auto and it will work fine. Then you get time lapse. The time lapse works fine. And here you also get the option of stabilization modes. See, you get standard, lock, active and cinematic pan. To get more info, just click on the question mark icon. See, here you get the standard stabilization, lock stabilization, active and cinematic pan. The sample videos of the stabilization modes are included at the end of the video. And in more settings, you get panorama and photosphere. See, the panorama works fine and photosphere also works fine. Now let's open the settings. When you install the Gcam, you will not see any option for stabilization modes. For that, you have to go to settings, more settings, and select smartphone to Xiaomi and interface to Pixel 5. And after that, you have to reboot your phone. After rebooting, you get the option of stabilization modes. So you also get the option of HDR plus device, then raw format for HDR plus, preview format, HDR plus quality, Shasta factor, and down here you get options like enable GL camera preview, auto NS, enable focus tracking, enable motion photo, and max exposure for astrophotography. Then you get options like save location, camera sound, Google suggestion, save selfie as previewed, social share. In gestures, you get options like volume key action. Then you get frequent faces. Then you also get the option of device storage. In this, you get the option of storage saver, turn off when storage is available and free up space. And in advanced, you get options like show dirty lens warning, RAW plus JPEG control, then store videos efficiently in H.265 format, and social media depth feature. Then you get framing hand, grid type, camera photo resolution. And in video, you get options like EIS video stabilization, OIS video stabilization, 4K 60 FPS video, and audio zoom. That is, zooming into an object boosts the sound and reduces the background noise. I'll include some sample shots. And here are the videos of stabilization modes. So is the Gcam 8.1 stable? Kind of. Some features are working, some are not, but overall the camera is very stable. The download link of the Gcam is in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.
For your own What just happened?